channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing this twist out. Yes, this cute, fluffy twist out. And I actually put a twist at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But if you all can guess what the twist is, leave me a comment down below. But don't forget to put on your subscribe buttons and put on your notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And let's just get right into the video. All right, y'all. So, as y'all can see, half of my head is already done, right? What I decided to do is come on camera and do the rest of the hair because I'm going to add a little twist to this twist out, and I wanted to have it on camera just in case it came out cute. I'm being honest, y'all. Being very honest. So if y'all watching this, that must mean that it came out cute. I'm gonna be very honest. I always do my twist outs on wet hair. Always. And what I did today differently was with this twist out was wash it, condition, deep condition, you know, all my little steps. And then I used this towel here. It's like a fiber towel, I guess. I don't know what kind of towel it is. And pretty much absorbed all the water out of the hair. I left it on for about, how long did I leave it on for? For about 30 minutes. So the hair is pretty much like, only like 20% wet. So I consider me doing this twist out on dry hair, like, to be very honest. So I'm going in with this Lustrous Pink leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna apply some to this section. If y'all can see my elbows in this video, excuse my elbows. I just got out the shower not too long ago when I actually washed the hair. And I ain't put on no lotion because it's darn near bedtime. So anyway, I'm applying that leave-in to this section. Then I'm going in with a mixture of oil that I always use in this little bottle. Take a little bit of that. Ooh. Don't get it on my outfit. I only wore this like 3 times. Anyway, I'm starting at the ends, work my way up with that oil. I'm gonna do the praying hand method, just making sure I'm coating every strand, okay? You put a little bit on my elbow because it's ashy. Every strand, okay? Then I'm going in with the Lustrous Pink Moisturizing Hair Milk. Okay? And I'm gonna apply that to this section as well. Praying hand method, rake it in, you know. Just making sure every strand is getting coated with the product. Now, I'm going to split that in half. I think that's half. Take a clip. What did I do with my clip? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna take a clip that out of the way. Now I'm gonna take a nice little section and I'm going to twist it. Now, what I'm making sure that I'm doing when I'm twisting this is I'm making sure that I am smoothing the hair out and twisting as tight as I can. So smoothing the hair out as I twist, but I'm twisting as tight as I can. Do you all see how tight that twist is? Can you all see that? You don't see no air, no pockets, no bubbles, no none of that, okay? So I'm making sure that I do that. When I get almost to the end, I'm taking my 3-row comb to make sure I'm removing the remainder of the tangles. But I am smoothing that out as I go down, okay? And I normally twirl at the end, but this time I'm not. I'm trying something different, like I said, y'all. Now, y'all, sorry, I'm looking down, but I'm taking a little bit of that oil and I'm gonna apply it to the end of the hair. I'm twisting all the way down, but I'm applying oil to the very, very, very end of the hair. As you all can see, that is actually pretty neat. I actually think that is really, really, really cute. Really cute. That girl got some twisting hands. Anyway, I'm gonna take this section and I'm gonna split this section into 2. These are not small twists at all. And I'm going to repeat those same steps. Now remember, I already applied all the product to the hair. Only thing I'm doing is twisting very tightly and smoothing the hair down as I'm twisting down. But I'm doing it really, really, really tight. And then when I get towards the end, I'm going to take that third row comb out any tangles I might have, and then I'm going to go in with the oil at the end of the hair, the very ends of the hair, and I'm twisting it all the way through. Okay, that girl, that's perfection. I don't care what nobody says, that's perfection. Okay, so we're gonna take that last chunk of hair out of that section and do it over. Repeat those same steps. Tightly, twisting tightly. See it? The third row comb. And apply some oil at the end. There's a reason why I'm applying extra oil at the very ends. There's a reason why. You guys will see at the end of the video. But guys, look at those 3 twists. So pretty. So beautiful. Oh, look at the shine. Look at the moisture. Just look at it. Okay, anyway. We're going to finish this and then I'll be back with you guys, okay? Okay, y'all. So I'm on the very, very, very last twist. And I'm excited to show you guys what I'm about to attempt to do to this hair after we finish this last twist. And we're going to make sure it's already moisturized and all the product is applied to this section. I'm going to twist tightly again, like I said before. And then once I get almost done with that, once I get almost done with that twist, I'm going to comb that through. Twist some more. It feels so moisturized. I love these products. So anyway, twist it to the very, very, very end. And then I'm going to apply some oil to the end. Okay. So before I go into what I'm going to do, I'm going to oil the scalp right here. I already put oil on this side. I'm about to get mad because I'm messing up my clothes. I hope this oil come out, which is probably not. Massage that oil in. Then I'm going to take a hair clip that out the way. We're gonna work our way back to this side. Now, I'm gonna start with half the hair first. And here comes the star. First, let me put my glove on. Just got my nails freshly done. Y'all like the color? I'm gonna be cute tomorrow. I know I look hurt now, but I'm gonna be cute tomorrow for church. Anyway, I am going to be using this bootleg hair color butter that I got from my beauty supply store. It's called Mofa Hang hair coloring material. It's about 4 ounces of product in here. Now what I'm going to do, see if I can get the top off. So this is the color, y'all. Can y'all see that? So what I'm gonna do, feels very creamy. I'm gonna rub it around in a circle, like the top layer of it, to loosen it up just a little bit, okay? Now I'm gonna take a little bit of that on my gloves, and I'm gonna grab 1 twist. Ooh, I'm scared, y'all. And I'm gonna put it on the tip only. I hope I'm not using too much. I just got my nails and I can't get them messed up. Anyway, I'm gonna take some and put it on about that much. I'll take a little more for this one. Just on the tips. Now, if I didn't mention, oh my God, the color is purple. I hope this don't stain my hair, my fingers. Alright, y'all. So I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Anyway, y'all, this is how it's looking. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Can you see it? Can you see? Can you see? All right, y'all, it's the next day. And the hair is, I think, 100% dry. If not, then I'm going to be in trouble. But you all can see that the color The color darkened up a little bit. I don't mind it because I just forgot I got an interview on Monday. So, you know, you don't want to go to interview with all crazy colors in your hair. So, we're going to go ahead and untwist the hair. Alright y'all, that concludes today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had so much fun. So much fun. I might try this color again. I will say that it doesn't feel harsh on the hair like it said on the bottle. It's very lightweight. It feels very moisturized, but I do feel like that me applying extra oil to the ends played a big part as to why my hair does not feel dry or brittle right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notification bells so you all are notified every time I do a video. And I'll see you all later. Bye.